Oh my god. We went through a hailstorm earlier. Now we're going to get damage. First time out here. Take in mind, we have lots of trees on our property. So, what you might see will be surprising. Even for me. I lived here almost 5 years. There's Mom. Hi, Mom. Jesus. Oh, we got plenty of firewood. I'm funny. Ooh, we should take a look at the pool. Damn. This is badder than the May flood. Oh no, the door! The door on our house got thrown off. Oh no. There used to be a door. Oh, I still say the door is fine. Let's see the pool. There's the ladder. Well, there's not that much sticks. At least they're all in one place. So, yeah. It wants to see my steer. I am posting this to YouTube. That's bad. Cleanup's gonna be a bitch. Let's see how much rain we got, shall we? Jokes. It's much beautiful when it's all covered. Hey, my halter's still there from this morning. Nice! Oh, by the way, the halter for that steer was effing dirty because of the pin. So, I had to wash it off. Surprised it's still here. I hanged it up this morning to let it dry after I washed it. So, yeah. Say hi to YouTube, Rebel. My steer's name is Rebel. My sister named him, not me, sadly. So, yeah, let's take a look at my steer. Okay? Rebel, YouTube. YouTube, this is my steer, Rebel. And clarification, a steer is a guy. And a heifer is a girl. So this is a guy for cows. Or for cattle. He is star 5. I usually train Sardacuchur's cattle. But he's okay. A little bitchy sometimes. But yeah, this is my steer Rebel. So let's see if he needs feed, shall we? Oh, at least he has plenty of water. Yeah, his pen is freaking muddy. Damn. I don't think he wants to eat wet feed. That is some wet feed, by the way. Oh, wait, by the way, I made this cattle trough. How do y'all like it? This is country life for y'all. I made this for an ag project. For welding. Okay. Let's go in. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to climb it. I don't want him out. Oh, I shouldn't tie that first. Oh, damn it. First, I gotta untie this. Make it easier on my knife. What's up, Rebel? You like YouTube? You'll be famous. will be famous. How does he look for all y'all, for all the showmen out there, or ranchers out there? How does my steer look? And by the way, his name is Rebel. Rebel Yao. Yes, I know it's a whiskey name, so I'm not the one who named it. My sister was the one who named him. And apparently, she likes wine. You gotta move there, bud. If you don't eat wet feed. Back up. It's not my fault we have weather. Blame that God. Move. Okay, let's see if that worked. Huh? Not that much. Definitely washing my hands after this. That's what you get. Okay. Better. Good. That's better. Okay. Okay, what do y'all think? Does that look good now? Okay. Let's move this back where it goes. Surprisingly enough, no, it's not that heavy. Whoa. I'm okay. Okay, let's wash my hands real quick. There we go. I'm so surprised I just on the aftermath after this. That's tomorrow. I might get some more rain after this later tonight. So yeah, the neighbor's house is lucky. It doesn't have any trees besides those on their property, but we have lots of them. And guess who has to pick them up later? Probably tomorrow. This guy. And there's a lot of them. When I mean a lot of them, I mean a lot of them. I'm pretty sure Katie's, my sister's car is in here. Oh. Knew it. Oh yeah, this is where we keep our feet. In our garage. It's not like we all done it. Besides the one that don't show cattle. Or have cattle. Okay. Here's one last look after the aftermath. Man, this is bad. Man, it's so bad. Oh, I'm gonna have fun tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna have some recordings playing in my headphones for tomorrow. And think of this, it might rain tonight, even more. Fun! Well,